Blackpink is a group known for amazing music and incredible style. Their influence extends far beyond just their songs. They're true global beauty icons. Their makeup looks are always on trend, setting new standards in the beauty industry. From bold eyeshadows to flawless skin, they never fail to impress. Fans around the world want to recreate their iconic looks, often sharing their own versions on social media. It's a testament to Blackpink's universal appeal. This tutorial will help you get that Blackpink glow. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you capture their signature style. Whether you prefer Jisoo's classic beauty, Jennie's edgy chic, Rosé's soft glam, or Lisa's bold statements, each member offers a unique aesthetic. There's a Blackpink makeup style for you. Dive into their world and find the look that resonates with your personality. Get ready to experiment and find your perfect match. Don't be afraid to mix and match elements from each member's style. We'll break down each part of their look, from foundation to finishing touches, so you can achieve that flawless Blackpink finish. K-pop makeup is all about creating a flawless, poreless complexion. Start with a hydrating primer to create a smooth canvas. Next, apply a lightweight foundation, making sure to blend it seamlessly. Use a concealer to cover any imperfections and highlight under your eyes. Set your makeup with a translucent powder for a long-lasting finish. Remember, a little goes a long way. Eyes are the focal point of Blackpink's makeup. Start with a neutral eyeshadow base and build from there. For a natural look like Jisoo, use light brown shades on your lids and a touch of shimmer on the inner corners. If you want something bolder, try a smoky eye with darker shades and winged eyeliner like Jennie. Don't forget to curl your lashes and apply mascara for extra drama. Section 4, Lip Service. Find your perfect pout. In this section, we will explore various techniques and styles to help you achieve the perfect pout that suits your personality and style. From gradient lips to bold colors, Blackpink isn't afraid to experiment with lip looks. Their fearless approach to makeup can inspire you to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. For a classic Korean look, try a gradient lip. This technique creates a soft, natural effect that enhances your lips without being too overpowering. Apply a darker shade of lipstick to the center of your lips and blend it outwards. This method adds depth and dimension, making your lips appear fuller and more defined. For a bolder look, go for a bright red or pink lipstick, like Lisa often does. These vibrant colors can make a statement and add a pop of color to your overall look. Top it off with a touch of gloss for extra shine. A glossy finish can make your lips look plumper and more luscious. Perfect for a night out or a special occasion. Don't be afraid to try different colors and finishes to find what suits you best. Whether you prefer matte, glossy, or something in between, experimenting with various lip products can help you discover your signature style. Remember, makeup is all about expressing yourself and having fun, so enjoy the process and find your perfect pout. Section 5, Blackpink Confidence. Own your style. In this section, we dive deep into what it means to truly own your style and exude confidence like the iconic Blackpink members. Most importantly, remember that makeup is about having fun and expressing yourself. It's a creative outlet that allows you to showcase your personality and mood. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Try different colors, techniques, and styles until you discover what makes you feel fabulous. The key to achieving the Blackpink look is not just about the products you use, it's about how you use them to highlight your unique features and enhance your natural beauty. It's about the confidence and attitude you bring to it. Confidence is the best accessory you can wear, and it will make any look stand out. So embrace your inner Blackpink. Rock your unique style and own it. You got this. Remember, confidence is contagious, and when you feel good, it shows. So go ahead, be bold, be daring, and let your true self shine through your style.